Very good afternoon to you all. This is me. My name is Abhishek Anand and I am from UTL Solar Company, New Delhi, India. Myself here as export manager in this company since last 6 years. So we are selling our product in Bangladesh and via online also it is sold. In Bangladesh we have an authorized dealer. We have an authorized channel partner who sell our product online, that is the Discover BD. They are our authorized online selling partner. You can purchase our product directly from them. The website is www.discoverbd.net. They sell our UTL product, genuine product, and every customers are satisfied with their performance, with the product performance, with their business and all. Also, other than this Discover BD, we don't have any online selling partner in Bangladesh. We have only one online selling partner, that is the Discover BD. Well, apart from this, if I say, we have some products like, as you can see over here, the Takniya model. It is the pure sine wave home UPS. The Gamma model. This one, the Gamma Plus model is here. This is a solar inverter inbuilt with MPPT, RMPPT charge controller. Now, if we go with the PWM charge controller inbuilt inverter, solar inverter inbuilt with PWM charge controller, then we have Haliak model, Vikranta model, this Umang model. These are some models inbuilt with PWM charge controller. They are the solar inverter. You can see over here some other model as well, the Tejas inbuilt with RMPPT charge controller. These are the solar inverter inbuilt with PWM, and this single one, this Tejas, and the another one, the inverter. If I talk about the inverter, not the bigger one, the commercial purpose, not for the commercial purpose but for the home purpose. Mainly people also use this for the commercial purpose as well. Depends on the rating, what the rating they are demanding or what the rating they are having in the commercial line, what the power they require. So anyway, so this Gamma Plus and the Tejas, these are inbuilt with RMPPT charge controller, and the rest one inverter you can see, the solar inverter inbuilt with PWM controller. People or customers, dealer, distributor, they basically use this, they basically sell this for the inverters required for the home purpose. Okay. Yeah. As I was telling, if we go for the commercial purpose, like for the higher rating, other more than 5 kV, 6 kV, 10 kV, 15 kV, single phase, 3 phase in, single phase out, 3 phase in, 3 phase out. Then we have the solar PCU, the large one. This you can see, the solar PCU model. This is okay. Here you can only see the single cabinet over here. We have the more cabinet and the more system which are lying in our warehouses. So you can also see that in the catalog. So just these are some products over here you can see. And again, if I repeat, we sell our product in Bangladesh. Mr. Nazrul is our reputed online selling partner. Discover BD is our online selling partner. And other than Discover BD, we don't have any online selling partner in Bangladesh. You can directly purchase our product in Bangladesh from Discover BD. The website is, please note down, www.discoverbd.net. They are our genuine buyer. They are our genuine authorized online selling partner, and they sell the genuine product with the cheap and the best price, I mean to say. So well, this is all I had to say. Rest, if you have any doubt, you can consult with Mr. Nazrul. He can resolve all your queries.